Well, in true our-style fashion, we are doing the property tour at the end of our trip. This is Sirena Condos in AKUMAL on Half Moon Bay. This is number 5. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Landon's waiting patiently to go eat breakfast. As you can see, the view is beautiful.
I'm starving.
This is the outdoor patio. Look at this view. My GoPro's probably gonna fog up now. Yep, there it goes. Everybody's getting their stuff ready. This is the dining area. Kelly's looking at checkout plans. This is the master bedroom. Just overlook things because we are checking out. This is the bathroom. This is the balcony for the master. You can go right out here. Okay. Second bedroom. This is the balcony here. I'm not going to open everything up right now because stop it. Because we've already closed everything down. The second bathroom. This is it. It's pretty small and basic, but you've got your shower here. I'm sorry I'm doing this really quick, but we're trying to get out of here. This is the kitchen. And we've got to be at the airport super early because American Airlines messed up one of our passports. So we will see you next adventure.